Hello student, good morning. Now you see exercise 3.7 optional question number 5. In question number 5, in a triangle ABC, angle C equal to thrice angle B and angle C is equal to thrice angle B and angle C is equal to thrice angle B and thrice angle B is equal to twice angle A plus angle B. Means angle C is equal to thrice angle B and angle C is equal to twice angle A plus B. Twice angle A plus angle B. Find the three angles. So you have to find the value of the angles A, B, C. Okay, let's do. Student, exercise 3.7 optional question number 5. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to thrice angle C is equal to thrice angle B and angle C equal to thrice angle B. Thrice angle B is equal to twice angle A plus angle B. Then find the angles of triangle ABC. Okay, now solution. See, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, three angles are there. By angle sum property, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A plus angle B angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now given angle C equal to thrice angle B, angle C is equal to twice angle A plus angle B. Okay, now you see angle A plus angle B. From this condition you find out angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle C by 2. Okay, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle C by 2. You put angle A plus angle B equal to angle C by 2 in this. Okay, you put, on putting angle A plus angle B equal to angle C by 2 in angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. You put here angle C by 2. Now angle C by 2 plus angle C equal to 180. You take LCM. Angle C plus twice angle C is equal to 180. Now angle C plus angle C plus twice angle C, thrice angle C equal to cross multiply 2 into 180, 360. Now angle C is equal to 360 upon 3, that is 180. 120. The value of angle C is equal to 120. Now angle C equal to 120. Okay. Now angle C equal to thrice angle B given. Okay. Then angle B equal to angle C by 3. This is why angle B is equal to angle C by 3. 120 by 3, that is 40 degree. Angle C is equal to 120 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree. Now you put angle A and value of angle B and angle C. Angle B and angle C value put here, you find angle A. Now student, angle A equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C. 180 minus angle B plus angle C. Angle B is, what is angle B? 40 degree plus angle C 120 degree. Now 180 minus 160 degree, that is 20 degree. Now answer your answer, angle A equal to 20 degree, angle B equal to 40 degree, angle C is equal to 120 degree. Now see, this is answer of the question. I hope you understand, you are clear. Now you see next question. Next question you see, draw the graph of the equation 5x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. Okay, student. Now you see question number 6. Question number 6 you see. Equation 5x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Now you see 5x minus y is equal to 5, then you put here y here, then you will get 5x minus 5 equal to y. This is first equation. Now you take y in right hand side and 3 in left hand side. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. This is second equation. Okay. Now student, two equation 5x minus 5 is equal to y and 3x minus 3 is equal to y. You make a box for this and you make a box for this, because you have to find out graph. To draw the graph, 2 points are enough to draw the graph, to plot the graph. So you find the value of x and y, 2, x and y. You put the value here x, what? Value of x is here. If you will put value of x 1, 5 into 1, then you will get 5 minus 5, that is y is 0. If you will get x is equal to 2, so 5 2 is 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Now you see x and y, you put the value of x here 1, then 3 into 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. You put here 3 into 2, value of x 2, 3 2 is 6, and 6 minus 3 is 3, that is y. Now you plot the graph. Okay, you plot the graph. Student, you see you put here x o x dash y o y dash. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, because up to 5 is there, so no need to extend more. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5. If you will draw it on graph paper, that will be very easy, because that will be a easy, there will be easy to take the points, taking interval 5 points or 10 points. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, you see that is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is 0. On x axis value of y is 0, you know, so its coordinate is 1 0. Now you see 2 5, this is a 2 and this is a 5, so you will see that is here, that is 2 and 5. You join these 2 points. You join these 2 points. Okay, now you this is the point, something different. Now you see 1 and 0, the same point will be there, that is x is 1 and y is 0, same point. Okay, and then 2 3, that this is a 2 and here is 3, then 2 and 3 here. Okay, this point is 2 and 3, you point here, that is same point, this and this you have to join. Okay, then there will be some. Okay, student, you join here. Then you see what triangle you are find. This triangle you are find. Okay, this is triangle. Now this is triangle and this is your triangle shaded region. So it is A, B and C. Now coordinates of A. Coordinates of A is, you see what, 1 0, that is 1 point. Okay, now coordinates of B, that is here, you see where it touch. Now on y axis, on y axis value of x is 0, then you see where y. I am looking here to between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. If suppose that it is on 3, that point will be 3. If this point will be on 2, then coordinates will be 0 2. So you will write according to you. I am going to write here, it is nearest to 3. That is, it is not clear where the point will touch y axis. You will see the value of y. Okay, and on y axis value of x is 0. Now coordinates of C. Coordinate of C is here, you see that it at minus 5. Value of y is minus 5 and on y axis value of C is 0. So you will write here minus 5. This is the coordinate approx and this is correct. Okay, now your answer, and this is your graph. I hope the graph is clear. Okay, thank you very much, and you study well and hope you will understand. Okay, thank you.